Hello and welcome to the stream of the Nasdaq scalping bot. My name is John and I'm your host for today. Wow, host. Okay. We do these streams to show you people the progress I made on the bot and show you the results of the testing I do. And the tests I do are called for now 1,000 candle test. And in those 1,000 candles, we will see how the bot performed before the opening of the market. And during the stream, we see how he will perform within the market. And I already see, if you look with me, that in the pre-market, there is some action going on right away. Okay. But we shall see. So, welcome to the Nasdaq scalping bot. We're looking at the moment, a profitable position. If we're looking at what the bot has performed the last almost 867 candles, is a negative of €13.37. And that's a negative with a take profit and a stop loss of 6. So twice the take profit or stop loss is our negative. And I'm still happy with this result, because it's not like we had last week that we started at the market day around this time with an over the 100 euros down. So it's good to have some perspective in the right direction, and that is what this is doing. What did we change before we go look at the performance? The changes we made. Let me take a look. I already told you about the print, etc. So that's already gone. I told you yesterday about that. Yeah, that's in the contracts, by the way. So those prints were there and gone. I changed the time that market closed sleep. The time to sleep I enlarged to 3600, because what I noticed yesterday was that when the market closed and I had a time sleep of 900 seconds, quarter of an hour, I thought that, okay, then we see this 4 times, and in those 4 times there will be some sleeping to be done, and then we are finished. But while the market is closed, it doesn't respond to requests. So in the main pie, the start loop, and that's what I started, there is a account information request. Am I correct? No, that's already done. While true, there is a fetch current market candle. So we need to fetch a candle, we need the current market. And while the market was closed, you get this remark, as you see down here: request failed, retrying in 5 seconds, request failed, retrying in 5 seconds, etc., 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 every 5 seconds until market was open again. And that was way too much. That was unnecessary. So I changed the time to 3600. Hopefully it will only go once, and it doesn't matter if it not exactly comes back alive at 2300. Even if it's 2310 or 15, it's not a problem, as it will sleep for this. That's what I changed. Another change going to happen here is about all positions to be closed before market closing. So that's what the next changes will be around this region, but that's the last one on this. And I changed, what did I change more? I changed I already changed the candles with the EMA. We talked about it yesterday. So the newest is the 10 times profit. Oh, yeah, I just threw a submarine. If current profit larger than 0. Yeah, the 10 minutes, that's what we talked about yesterday. And I added if the current profit is smaller than 0, then there is a negative counter, and we wait 10 minutes, and then there will be a position close if it is longer as 10 minutes in the negative. And both cancel each other out if there is a switch. So if there is a negative, you see that the positive counter becomes 0 and the negative counter +1 each time for each minute. And if there is a switch, then we have the positive counter +1 and the negative counter reset to 0. So both of them are still canceling each other out if there is a switch in the market. That's maybe the next action I'm going to take, is not to cancel those two out and just see where it ends if one of those get the first 10 minutes. But for now, I canceled them out. Those were the changes of yesterday. Not much. So I was rather fast with the changes and restarting the bot to test. And I started the bot with the new settings. And the new settings has the effect for, we see we now have a profit loss of minus 1831. And that's okay with me. That's okay with me. What we're going to look at is the result. I see already a 3 up here. So this means there is something going on. There was a stop loss at 9.9. There was another stop loss at 9.16. And there was a take profit at 9.40. And that's it for the stop losses and the take profits. But there happened a lot more. So we're going to look at the reports. And in the report, we see that we have 1, 2, well, yesterday 11. Yeah, we started at 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yeah, 21. House wins a 21. Of those 21 were not as much positives. If I count the blue lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 5, 6, and 7. So that was not much positives. And the negatives is the rest. So that would be 13. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. Oh, another one there. 14. 14 positions closed negative. What does this mean? Oh, let me think. Of course, we're looking now at something else. A position is closed earlier because it's only open for 10 minutes. So what we see is that the negative positions are more, the loss pro position is smaller than yesterday. There are 78 cents, $2.77, 161, 246. That's a 554. So that's a stop loss. We saw this. Another stop loss here. A take profit. 450. I have to look 65 cents, I guess. Yeah. So these are all small numbers in the losses, and of course small numbers in the profits too. 105, 49, 6, the stake profit, 0, 3. So we have to see how it reacts to the market. Now we really need to see how it reacts to the market. If we're gonna do this, then I need to change the either the the take profit as the take profit, no more 10 minutes until, or the 10 minutes be bigger as in 15 minutes to wait for a profit or something in that region. I don't know. We have to wait what this will do. And for now, we see there was a setting as a sold, and we are going up. And I don't know if we're in the 10 minutes, but we have 241, almost 3. There, no, 99, you see, 99, 10 minutes in the negative, and the position is closed. And if this is preferable above what we did yesterday, I don't know. So we're gonna see what it will be, because yesterday, let's look at the reports from yesterday. This one, yeah, this is all take profit. 55, 55. These are all take profits, but they are from yesterday at 9, after I made the changes I just talked about. And you see that yesterday, with those changes, I had 1, 2, 3 times the take profit. So it went very well yesterday. So I want to know today, in the 1,000 candle or even more, how it will react to the opening market. What will happen in the opening market? And sit, wait, and see if and what will happen. Like I said, we leave it as it is. We are at 631, and it needs to get back up to 1,000. So if the bot works as it should be, it could repair itself back to the 1,000, and that would be nice. It's a repair of 470. So if that happens, if it really goes back up to the 1,000, then we know the bot works as it's supposed to be, and we can go live on the live money, real money. Then we have another point to discuss, to look at, and that is the log. This is the log of yesterday with only buys and no sells. So I'm gonna grab the new log for today. We're gonna analyze this one too, and so you guys can read along. I'm gonna pump this up again to 14. That should be more readable. Yes, it is. We take the profit, please. There are the profits. And can we see why there is a profit versus a loss? And then we can look. There was a sell with an EMA and a signal line with a histogram of minus 2.3 that resulted in a profit. Let's mark this. I already see another sell with a better result than this one. 611, 51, 55, and a 0.4 histogram. Okay, do we have another cell? Yes, we have another cell right here. The 0.3 histogram difference as a 55 profit. Do we look at a buy? That takes two of the stronger buys of today. This one and this one. Then we see a histogram of 4.3, 4.7, 4, 5.66 profit, and a histogram of 5 for 12.7 and 5.85 profit. There we have a buy. Um, 11.37.5. Another buy. This is from yesterday, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. But we take this one too. We say a profit. Okay. 4 buys, 3 sells, all profitable. And the profit is when the histogram was larger as, what would we say, 4? Yeah, if the histogram was larger as 4, then there was a profit. Histogram, yeah. Larger 4. Sorry, a buy. Buy larger 4 equals profit. Sell. A sell, if you look at the sell, minus 0.4 and minus 0.3. And we don't have any other sell. Minus 0.2. So for now, we would say you need, this is a larger minus 1, and this is a smaller minus 5.5. a smaller minus 5.5. So a sell smaller 0 but bigger than 0. Oh, 0.0. Sorry, 1.0. Larger for, smaller for sell. That's a profit. Larger than 4, profit. Sell smaller than 0, bigger than minus 1. Smaller than 0, but bigger than minus 0 is profitable, as we can see here. Now, let's make the switch to the losses. And there are a lot of losses. And can we see if this counts for the losses too? I've got a buy with there is no buy with a histogram larger than 4. Do I? Yeah, there. I have one there. There's a buy larger with a histogram larger than 4, and it was a loss of 4.5. This buy. Do I have another buy with a histogram larger than 4? Yeah, yesterday we had one there. Also larger than 4. But those are the only two. Not enough. And for the sell, smaller than 1, smaller than 0, but bigger than 1 point. This should not have a loss. Let's see a sell. This is a sell with a take stop loss, and the histogram is smaller than smaller than a 0, but larger than the minus 1, and still we had a loss. And did we have any other sell? Wait, filter. Give me the sell. Did we have any other sell? All the histograms. This one minus, well, sort from A to Z. That means that those 4 cells should have been profitable, and they are not. So we cannot conclude that a buy with a larger than 4, oh, we didn't check, but profit, loss, profit, and a loss, but the loss of a 0. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to paint this one green too. 5 with a histogram larger than 4 was profitable, and this one were losses. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 5, 6. Wow! Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. So it's even. How much would this have brought us? Is the sum of now only this one. This would have 13.59 profitable versus the profit versus the losses, still would have been profitable, but only for the buy. For the sell, we don't have enough sell because yesterday there were only buys. Histogram, sort A to Z, 16 is the, yeah, it's the largest. Yeah, I know. Smaller than 0, bigger than 1. Those are those cells. And those cells are the 4. This one is a loss. And it's profitable at, whoa, oh, minus .5. Smaller than a 0, but bigger than minus .5 is a profitable sell. Except this one. We're gonna save this and we'll look after it tomorrow. And maybe we're gonna change something in the decision making during this week. It's Wednesday already, so with tomorrow test, Friday testing, maybe close this up. What did I close? Close this up. Back to the market. We are already at 900 candles. So let's see what's going on, what's happening. 2 minutes to opening time, opening market, market opening. Market open, open the market, market opening, open market. Wow, 2 minutes until the trade market starts. And he opens with a sell. 530. Again, 530, 529. There should be at least 2 between. Yeah, it could be a rounding mistake, but there should be at least 2 between. Okay, but let's see. And the histogram is higher than 7 minus 7. We still got some seconds before the market will open. Then I fear if it will go up, we get a stop loss instantly. It's only if the market opens downward, then we have a profit. There the market goes. At the broker, it's 5.5, the histogram. Funny, the signal, the MACD, but the histogram is, oh, the red one is the histogram. Okay, so the histogram here is the 1.3. And a take profit? Yes, a take profit. I take the profit, please. Oh, I didn't look, but we finished profitably because I see we are at €9 loss for now. And I see 2. Yes, we made 2. Take profits back to back. So I think I will leave it on. Not because of the 1,000 candles and quit, but just leave it on. Now, this is rather good. It's not, maybe it's not perfect, like as I state, maybe it is not perfect, But if I leave it on for another until the end of the day, so it's what time it is? It's 3 o'clock. So if I leave it on for the next 7 hours, meaning until the end of the market day, then I will see how good this performs. So for now, I will leave it and I will record again around 11, around 10 when the market close. Then we can see what the bot actually did during the market day, and we can make some conclusions out of it and maybe adjust something in that hour that I have between the market opening and closing. That's enough for a small change, and then restart the bot for another day of testing. But for now, I will see you soon. So we're back in only a few seconds for the YouTubers, but for me, a couple of hours. We see at this moment that there was about 1,374 candles with only 20 minutes to go. So 20 on it would be around 1,400. So an entire day would be 1,400 candles. Good to know. What we see is that the current profit since starting yesterday around 12 past 11 is a minus of 22.32. And I had to look it up. We left this afternoon with a minus of 13 something. So another €9 came to it as a negative to our take profit, to our profit. But there is some lightning at the end of the dark tunnel, because what I noticed is, and I will show you if the bot screen is gone. Yes, there it is. I need to switch to. What I notice is there is a heck of a trading going on between 9 and 10 past 9. There happened a lot, and I saw the bot react to it, and most of them were negative. But I also see, and you see it now, we have a positive of €3. So if I take the bot back, where's my bot? There is the bot. I'll show you guys the bot too. When I look at the bot, then those 323 is counted in. So maybe we will end around something like 20. And that is good, because something else I noticed what happened during the day, and I will show you that too. And this is these. In the past couple of hours, and let's go back to 3:30. We had a $6, so this is a take profit, then a $7 stop loss, a $6 stop loss, a $6 take profit, a $6 stop loss, a $6 stop loss, a $6 stop loss, and then a $6 profit, $6 profit, $6 profit. Go up, loss, $6 profit, $6 loss, $6 loss, $6 profit. And this is a 10 that was at this point. It really went down there. So the stop loss went there to a 10, then 6, and then again 6 up and 6 up. So in the last couple of hours, I have seen, not you, but I did, that we reach a certain level of take profits, and we take another one right now, I see. Oh, I take the reports because that's easier. So I have 5 plus this 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times a take profit, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, 11, 12 times. Yeah, 11, 12 times. Take this one to 13 times stop loss. That's a good sign. This means that if I want to make a better profit, I have to raise this take profit margin, and that's usual. It's normal that you have a higher take profit than your stop loss because of this. So when something is uneven, of an even balance in this way, it's almost the same stop loss as the same take profit times, not in money but in numbers, then it's better to have a greater greater take profit than a stop loss. So that's the next test. We keep on testing. That's the next test for tomorrow. And we're going to change, not much. We're just going to change the take profit to a higher take profit point, because I saw that a lot of the profits were already taken while there was still space for more. So the result of today of the test of, let's say, the 1400 candle test is promising in a better future for tomorrow. So that's what we're going to do. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more how this goes. And if you want, you can chat with me on the Discord channel. I'll leave a link in the description. And you can find me on Twitch every day. Almost, not in the weekend, but you can find me on Twitch every day. And then we can talk about the bot too. And you can see how the bot does in reality and not in just a YouTube movie. Yes? So, see you soon. Have fun.